Hello, I'm Jaden Lefebvre, founder and lead engineer of the PeaPod Technologies team, and I am here today to demonstrate to you our prototype for the Deep Space Food Challenge. Follow me. This is PeaPod. PeaPod is a fully automated plant growth system designed for maximum versatility. You come here and pop off the front panel, you'll expose the growth environment. Currently, we are growing 1/2 batch of red radish microgreens and 1/2 batch of lettuce heads, which we'll see develop into fully mature plants over the coming weeks. So, PeaPod grows food, but how exactly? PeaPod uses a completely custom aeroponic system to deliver a very fine, nutrient-rich mist directly to the roots of the plant, resulting in a 98% more water-efficient setup than traditional farming. This is accomplished via a diaphragm pump, which draws water from a reservoir and pressurizes it in this line, and then allows you to control the flow of the water to the plants via a solenoid valve. This system, in addition to the lighting system, is controlled and monitored by a microcontroller, which runs everything on a fixed schedule so that everything keeps working even when you're not paying attention to it. I'm now going to demonstrate the harvesting and planting procedures for the PeaPod system. Of course, harvesting and planting may vary depending on which plant species you're using, but for today, we will use these lovely red radish microgreens as our test subject. So you'll begin by releasing all the Velcro strips along the edge of the mesh media, removing the mesh media in its entirety, and we're gonna take this on over to our harvesting station. Invert the corners of the mesh media, exposing the microgreens at their base. You're going to come in from one side with a knife, and with a shaving motion, gently shave off the sprouts of the microgreens, as many as you plan on eating that day. Fully released. They're actually pretty delicious. Fantastic. And you can replace the mesh media back in the PeaPod after harvesting some to allow the rest of the plants to grow. Moving on to planting, I've got a clean mesh media here. I've already weighed out 75 grams of arugula seeds this time. And we're going to add these seeds to our mesh media. Oh, they're there. Once they're on the mesh media, we're going to replace it back into the PeaPod system, evening out the seeds to maximize water availability to each plant. Once the seeds get wet, it's a little bit easier to spread them out, but perfect. Once your seeds are in, it's time to start growing. All you need to do is top off your reservoir with filtered water and add your plant nutrients of choice periodically to keep your plants growing strong and healthy. After that, it's just a matter of flipping the switch. PeaPod's central computer is able to be reprogrammed on the fly, allowing you to adjust environmental conditions to suit mission requirements and plant selection. In doing so, users can optimize the yields of their plants over successive iterations. Lastly, I'm going to demonstrate the cleaning process. I've already removed all the plant material, both the shoots and the roots. We're going to take a fine wire brush and do our best to scrape out all the remaining plant material, finally ending the process with a soak and disinfectant bath. The grow tray is cleaned in a similar fashion. The grow tray can be completely removed very easily. Oh, quick disconnect. Brought to our disinfection station. The aeroponic container releases with a drawstring. Once removed, goes in the same disinfectant bath. All other surfaces can be wiped down with disinfectant, and all food contact surfaces should be rinsed with distilled water before being used again. In addition, PeaPod features a purge button, allowing the user to manually operate the aeroponic nozzles remotely. This allows the user to flush the line with disinfectants, descalers, and distilled water between grow cycles. With the pump disconnected and the line completely depressurized, the user can now remove and reattach components on demand using a cam lock system, allowing for ease of replaceability and repair. PeaPod's cubic unit cell housing also allows the frame to be extensible in all directions, allowing you to adapt it to any mission requirements. PeaPod Technologies Inc. is a team of 4 undergrads, and we have been working tirelessly with limited resources over the past 12 months to develop our prototype, and we are extremely proud of it. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to continuing our partnership with Deep Space Food Challenge.